My new office coming up. Here's my painter. Welcome to my new studio. I am thrilled with it. I'm thrilled how it turned out. It was just an idea that I had because I got tired of doing the green screen. I don't know if you noticed that in previous videos, a lot of the times I was using a green screen background. And so although that was great, it gave me lots of options in order to what background I wanted to use. But after a while, it does take a lot of time to do the editing that goes along with that. So I eventually found an area in my home that I could designate as a studio. So in my previous video that I did in this area, I noticed that the walls were brown, I'm brown, and if it wasn't for my black hair, you would not have even seen me. So I thought, well, that has to go. So that's what kind of inspired this whole idea. I was over at my daughter's place. She just redid her office and I absolutely love the color of the wall that she chose. I used her leftover paint that she had there and it worked out well because it did cover the one wall. The other three walls are done in white. Overall, the area that I picked and I've done here is very inexpensive. The carpet that I have on the floor is like $50 from Home Depot. The other furniture that I found around the house, basically because you have leftover pieces here and there, so I put all those together. New plants, shelves, just for the ambiance and that. So little bits of pieces I just pulled together. You may notice that the theme in here is Paris. Now, I'm a travel channel, so it wouldn't be unusual for it to sort of have a travel ambiance to it. But it just so happened that I do have a connection actually with Paris. My brother lives there, but that's not to say it's the only place I visit. And ta-da, here we are in my studio. So you too can find an area in your home that you can call your own little studio and somewhere where you can just set the camera up and you don't have to keep putting it up and down. You've got good lighting, you've got good audio, and then you just bring in the pieces that suits your personality. You know what would be great though is if you've got a studio or if you plan on creating one or whatever it is and you've got a YouTube channel, put that in the comment section down below. Leave your link so that we too can take a look at your ideas and all of us can learn from each other. In the meantime, look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button that's down below. And you know what? Have yourself a wonderful week, and I will be here again next week. Adios. Bye-bye.